Hi, here's a quick video about protecting your doors from those nuisance car door opening people who open it onto your door, dent it. I've been searching around for some side moulding rubbing strips, which I've just put on here. I didn't want to spend a fortune. The official ones for this car, which is Land Rover Freelander, were something approaching about £100 for a set, which is more than I wanted to spend. I only bought the car for 400 quid, so it just doesn't make sense spending that much to protect from a few dents. So I was hunting around and I thought I'd share what I found. This lot, which is a 5-metre strip, 1 inch wide, self-adhesive stick-on side protection strip for about £11 from eBay, including postage. You can get chrome ones as well, a bit cheaper, about £9. I think it looks reasonable. Doesn't really add to the looks, but it doesn't detract too much either. Dead easy to fit. What you have to do first is clean the whole area with some sort of alcohol product to get off any waxes or anything that might stop the adhesive from sticking. I happen to have this in my garage, some panel degreaser. Put in a little pot, get tissue, put some gloves on, wipe it down. Something like methylated spirit is a cheap alternative as well, or anything with alcohol in it. Wipe off the whole surface. If it's a sunny day, leave your side strip out in the sun for a little while to get warm. That helps the adhesive. If it's not so sunny, take it indoors, get it to room temperature for a bit. You don't really want to do it on a cold day. Adhesives don't stick very well in the cold. A few little tools, a Stanley blade, maybe some scissors. Then you want to stick it on the car that sticks out the most, which is roughly this sort of position. And you've got this crease line, so you can use that as a guide when placing your side moulding. It's up to you where you cut it, but I have just followed that little crease line around there, and I'm just going to mark that again when I get hand free. Just score it on the outside, following that line down, and then to get a nice straight cut, cut off with your pair of scissors. Then peel off the backing tape and start to feed it down the side of the car. Following the line, I would go straight across the door cut rather than try and cut it at this stage. That means that your side moulding stays a nice straight line. And then we can just use the Stanley blade to gently cut down 2 lines either side of the gap in the door to separate it later. Peel back a little bit of the red stuff. You don't want it sticking to stuff that you don't want it to stick to. Once you've started the red stuff, the backing tape peeling off, then it should come off easily. Once you've started, it's dead easy of course. You might want to try starting off either with your fingernail or a little Stanley blade to separate your two. And once you've started sticking it down, you can just peel off the backing tape while at the same time following that crease line, keeping it nice and straight. Take your time over it and you'll get all the way to the end. Once you're at the end, don't stick it all the way down, leave a little bit of backing tape on there, and then just mark where that crease line is in the wing, and then use the scissors to cut it off and you get a straighter edge, and then stick it down. Go over the whole strip, give it a good push down, your knuckles or your fingers, all the way down the edge, and then peel off the protective screen. And then you've got to cut down through these door lines. That one's pretty much cut all the way through. Just got to be careful that you don't nick the paintwork. So just push in a little bit. Obviously try and keep it in a straight line as well. Just need a little bit of time and patience. And you need quite a sharp blade as well. I think my blade's getting a bit blunt. Do a little sawing action on it. There we go. Just that piece off. And always trim a little bit more off afterwards, so you get a little bit closer to the door. and so on. Now it's better with the new blade. Makes life a lot easier. And I think that'll do. Hopefully that'll protect the doors from getting dents from people opening their car doors, which is basically bloody annoying. And if you ever tried trading in a car, every dent on your car costs you £250 if you go to somewhere like We Buy Any Car. So those bloody door opening people, that's what they're stealing off you every time they carelessly open their door onto you. So a 5 metre roll is more than enough to do both sides of the car, and actually there's a bit left over to do front bumper if you so desired. Not quite sure of the look of doing the front, but it did cover up a few scratches and protects the paintwork on the front bumpers. Just a quick tip today, only cost about £12 in total. Thanks for watching, bye.